Learn 10 phrasal verbs with walk to speak confidently. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore 10 useful phrasal verbs with the word walk. These aren't just simple verbs, they're real expressions that native speakers use in everyday conversations. Whether you're walking into a room or walking away from a problem, these verbs will help you sound more natural, fluent, and confident when you speak English. So, grab your notebook or just listen carefully. Each example is here to make learning easy and fun. 1. Walk away. Meaning, to leave a situation or place, often to avoid trouble or conflict. Example, she didn't want to argue anymore, so she just walked away. 2. Walk out. Meaning, to leave a place suddenly and clearly to show anger, protest, or disagreement. Example, she was angry with the decision and walked out of the meeting. 3. Walk in. Meaning, to enter a place casually or without knocking. Example, she didn't have an appointment but decided to walk in anyway. 4. Walk off. Meaning, to leave a place quietly because you are upset, angry, or want to be alone. Example, he got upset and walked off without saying a word. 5. Walk up. Meaning, to move closer to someone or something by walking. Example, she walked up to her friend and gave her a big hug. 6. Walk around. Meaning, to move or stroll around an area without a specific purpose or destination. Example, after lunch, I walked around the park to relax and enjoy the fresh air. 7. Walk into. Meaning, to enter a place, to accidentally get involved in a problem or difficult situation. Example 1. She walked into the cafe and ordered a coffee. Example 2. He didn't read the contract carefully and walked into a bad deal. 8. Walk through. Meaning, to move through a place carefully, to explain something step by step to help someone understand. Example 1. The guide walked us through the museum, showing us all the important exhibits. Example 2. Let me walk you through the instructions so you know exactly what to do. 9. Walk over. Meaning, to treat someone badly or take advantage of them. Example, if you don't stand up for yourself, people will walk all over you. 10. Walk back. Meaning, to take back or change something you said earlier. Example, I had to walk back my opinion when I realized I was wrong. Keep practicing these phrasal verbs with walk every day, and you'll start to notice your English sounding more natural and confident. Remember, learning a language is a journey. Every small step you take brings you closer to your goal. So keep walking forward, stay curious, and never give up. You've got this. Thank you.